In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share a Jira project with your team or stakeholders. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish, ensuring that you're confident every step of the way. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once you're there, navigate to the Jira website and log in with your credentials. This step is crucial because all of the project sharing tasks happen within the Jira environment, and you'll need to be logged in to access your projects. Now that you're logged in, head over to the top menu. You'll see a range of options here, but what we need is the Projects tab. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down or a list of all the projects associated with your account. From this list, select the project that you intend to share with others. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct project, as this is where you'll generate the link to share. Once you're inside the desired project, direct your attention to the browser's address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the unique URL associated with your project. Essentially, this URL serves as the direct link, kind of like a digital gateway, leading straight to the project within Jira. It's a simple yet effective way to provide individuals with quick access to the exact project without any hassle. Your next step involves copying this URL. You can easily do this by highlighting the URL in the address bar and using your keyboard commands, Ctrl+C if you're on a Windows system, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. With the URL now copied to your clipboard, you have the flexibility to share it via different communication channels, whether it's through email, chat applications, or any other communication tool your team uses. The choice is entirely up to you. This way, you ensure that the link reaches the right people efficiently. However, before you send off that link, there's one more crucial aspect to consider: project permissions. Even with the link in hand, recipients need the appropriate access to actually view the project details. If they don't have the necessary permissions, they'll encounter an unpleasant permission denied message. To preempt this, navigate to the project settings, then click on the People section. Here, you have the authority to add users or groups, ensuring everyone who needs access can get it with ease. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to sharing a Jira project efficiently. By following these steps, you ensure clear communication and collaboration among all your project stakeholders. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.